powder of neem seeds is mixed in water and sprayed on plants and trees, then locusts don't eat them.
Oh, so innocent.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our very own kitchen garden. So who's excited?
A kitchen garden? What's that?
I think it's a garden where we grow vegetables. What kind of vegetables we grow, teacher?
So we'll grow some easy to manage ones like tomatoes, spinach and maybe some onions because they are quick to grow and do not require too much space.
Sir, can we grow carrots too?
Maybe later, Premal, because carrots need deeper soil. So for now, let's focus on these. So firstly, we have to prepare our soil. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So as of now, we have limited gardening tools. So we have to do this in groups. So first, Akansha, Shrishti, Akarsh, Premal and Mudit. You all have to come with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go then. Everyone, have a look.
Sir, it's look like a jungle.
It does, doesn't it? Well, that's our starting point. We need to clear this area and prepare it for planting. Well, do you see this hard clumpy soil?
Yes, sir.
It needs some work. We need to loosen it up and add some nutrients in it.
How, teacher?
With these, child. So first, we have spade for digging and turning up the soil. Then we have garden hoe for breaking up the clumps. Then we can use garden fork for removing the weeds. And we also have hand cultivator for loosening up the soil. Okay, so come now grab your gardening tools. Come. So these are the tools. Okay. So spade for Premal, fork for Mudit, and hoe for you, and hand cultivator for you, and sickle for you. So you can take turns, but be careful with tools. Okay, always hold them firmly and point away from yourself and others. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do then. Come. Hold on. Great job, everyone. The soil look much better now. And for super healthy plants, we need a good fertilizer. Okay, so now we are going to make our own vermicompost.
Vermicompost? What's that, teacher? It sounds like a superhero.
Yes, you are close. Well, it's a compost made by earthworm. And they are like tiny superheroes for our garden. They eat organic waste and their castings, their poop, are like a superfood for plants.
So worms make fertilizer from garbage. That's amazing.
Exactly. So now let's go and make our vermicompost. Come. First, we need a container. This one has small holes for air because just like us, worms need to breathe.
What's that layer at the bottom? It's look like shredded paper.
That's bedding, Mudit. It's like a cozy bed for the worms. We use shredded newspaper or dried leaves. It keeps the thing moist and provides a home for them.
And those ugly things are worms. They are so small.
Yes, Srishti, these are special composting worms, not just any earthworm you found in your backyard. We obtained these from a local farm. They are experts at making compost.
What do we feed them? Can they eat anything?
Great question, Akarsh. We give them kitchen scraps, vegetable peels, fruit cores, even crushed eggshells. But no oily or spicy food. That's not good for them. And definitely no meat and dairy product.
So we just put the food in and worms do the rest.
Pretty much. We bury the food scraps under a thin layer of soil or more bedding. This helps to keep the flies away. We also need to keep the compost moist but not soaking wet. Think of it like a damp sponge.
And how long does it take?
Akansha, it takes a few weeks. We'll know it's ready when it's look dark and crumbly, like coffee grounds. And we'll see fewer food scraps. It's like magic.
Ew, cool. They are so wiggly.
Place them here. Yes. So now that our soil is ready and we have our compost, so we can plant seeds. We'll use these trowels to make the furrows and small hole for the seeds. Then carefully place the seeds and don't bury them too deep. Just slightly cover with soil. Understood? Okay, now let's begin. So now we'll need to water the seeds gently, not too much, just to keep the soil damp. With the help of this watering can with rose hat, so that we do not wash away the soil completely. And we also need to keep an eye on our garden. We'll need to remove the weeds regularly and protect our plants from pests. For that, we can use natural pest control like neem oil solution.
Can we come every day to check on them, teacher?
Yes, absolutely. Taking care of a garden is a daily responsibility and it's a lot of fun too. Well, we'll get to enjoy the delicious vegetables we grow. We'll get to learn about the plant life cycle and how everything grows. Dear learners, we hope you are excited to start your own kitchen garden. In this program, we have learned about vermicomposting with earthworms. But you can also make compost without using earthworms. Isn't that interesting? We encourage you to search online for how to make compost without earthworms. Try using the keywords composting of solid waste. Please share what you learned and your experiences with your friends and teachers.